If you want to take a screenshot on a Nothing phone for A or for a Pro, but you don't want to use buttons, then in this case, first we're gonna go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and you want to go to Special Features. Over here in Special Features, we're gonna proceed to Gestures, and then in the Gestures, we're gonna go to the Screenshot gesture. We need to make sure that the 3-finger swipe is enabled. Then you can swipe down with 3 fingers from the top, just like that, in order to capture a screenshot. And you can also press and hold 3 fingers on this screen and then swipe down in order to select the select the area, so we can make a partial screenshot or selective screenshot. Not only that, if you have an app opened in the background, if you go to the list of background apps or recent, then in here we should be able to find the screenshot option below the preview, which we can of course also use in order to capture a screenshot of an app. And also, if we open Settings and go to Accessibility, then in here we can find the Accessibility menu option. We can enable the Accessibility menu shortcut, and then we can use that button in order to find the screenshot option. So we can take a screenshot like that as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.